How to get unbanned from Wizz app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get unbanned from Wizz app. Now, if you are performing certain activities on Wizz and then you got banned, then it might be that you violated the community rules, so you might have been banned. Now, to get unbanned, what you can do is you can try switching between your networks. Now you can scroll on the notification bar. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can switch to mobile data, or if you're on your mobile data, you can switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can try logging in, and this might help you. However, if this doesn't help, what you can do is you can head into your Play Store or App Store on your device, and from there what you want to do is you want to search in for VPN. And now on VPN, what you want to do is you can install one of the VPNs, anyone that you want, and then you can install it and you want to enable VPN. Once you set up your VPN and once you enable it, you can simply head into Wizz and you can log in and you can use it. So this way you can get unbanned from Wizz app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.